What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be tubbing the wheel wells. Cut all this off right here, flush with the bed. Cut whatever I need to. I'm gonna try to recess the fender well inside of my bed. It's already got the wall. Put it onto the fender well. Fender 9 inches wide, 32 inches long. Should be good enough. Let's get to work. I got them in. Wasn't too bad. I ain't worried about welding it solid because probably warp up if I did with that thin metal. I'm gonna bead all the way across, away from the bottom. I'll put the primer on it so it wouldn't rust until then. Yeah, here it is. Round liner and sealant next. Today we're gonna be scuffing up the bed. I'm using a wire wheel. I'm just gonna get it. I ain't gonna go down the bare metal. I'm just gonna get it like that. We're scuffed up where the round liner can adhere to. But yeah, here it is. Let's get to work. So this is the body sealant I was talking about. I've already done one. Come out pretty good, it's pretty thick. Today we're gonna be spraying another coat of rhino liner. It's been 2 days. It's drying up pretty decent. Do this, make sure you scuff it real good. I had a couple spots I had to go over, but it come out alright. Considering I did it in my backyard. Let it sit overnight, maybe 2 days or so. And warm up. It's going on down right there. 07 Silverado. Nah, just playing. Yeah. Stay tuned.